Accessing YouTube on BT YouView boxes presents a challenge since no native YouTube app is available through the standard App Store. This limitation stems from ongoing compatibility and licensing issues between YouTube's platform requirements and the YouView operating system. However, users have developed several effective workaround methods. The first method involves using the YouView Box's built-in internet browser to navigate directly to YouTube's website. While this provides basic access to YouTube content, the functionality is quite limited compared to a dedicated app. Browser access has several limitations, including slower navigation with the remote control, limited video quality options, and no access to personalized features like your subscriptions or watch history. The second method is screen mirroring, which allows you to cast YouTube content from your smartphone or tablet directly to your TV through the YouView box. This method requires both devices to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Screen mirroring provides a better user experience than browser access, allowing you to use YouTube's full mobile app features. However, it depends on having a compatible mobile device and maintaining a stable Wi-Fi connection for smooth streaming. The third and most effective method involves connecting an external streaming device, such as an Amazon Fire Stick or Roku, to your TV's HDMI port. These devices have native YouTube apps that provide the full streaming experience. External devices offer the most seamless YouTube experience with full app functionality, 4K streaming support, and easy navigation. The main drawback is the additional cost and the need for an available HDMI port on your TV. To summarize the three methods, browser access is free but limited, screen mirroring offers better functionality if you have compatible devices, and external streaming devices provide the best experience but require additional hardware investment. The future of YouTube access on BT YouView boxes looks promising, driven by several key industry trends and technological developments. Three major industry trends are reshaping the streaming landscape. First, there's an increasing focus on smart TV integration and unified streaming platforms. Second, there's growing consumer demand for high-quality 4K and HDR content support, pushing providers to upgrade their hardware capabilities. Third, enhanced voice control and AI-powered content recommendations are becoming standard features that users expect from modern streaming devices. These trends are creating pressure for better integration solutions. Let's explore the potential technical solutions on the horizon. The first potential solution involves updated YouView hardware with significantly better app support and processing capabilities to handle modern streaming requirements. Second, potential partnerships between BT and Google could lead to direct licensing and development agreements, enabling native YouTube app integration. Third, progressive web app versions of YouTube could be developed specifically for set-top boxes, offering app-like performance through advanced web technologies. Now let's look at realistic timelines for when these improvements might become available to users. Based on industry patterns, significant improvements are most likely to emerge through three key channels with different timelines. Hardware updates typically follow 12 to 18-month cycles, providing opportunities for improved processing power and app support. Major software platform upgrades can introduce new capabilities and compatibility improvements between hardware refresh cycles. New partnership agreements between service providers and content platforms could enable direct app integration solutions. While waiting for these developments, there are important steps users can take to optimize their current experience. First, regularly update your YouView box firmware to ensure you have the latest features and compatibility improvements. Second, ensure you have a stable broadband connection with at least 10 megabits per second for HD content streaming. Third, monitor BT announcements for official app releases and hardware upgrade programs that might become available. Finally, consider using a hybrid approach with multiple devices to access different streaming services while waiting for integrated solutions. The future of YouTube on BT YouView boxes is evolving rapidly. While current limitations exist, multiple technical solutions and industry trends point toward improved integration in the coming months and years.